Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying basics so you don't chase ghosts. Check Windows build and your exact Lenovo model, then make a restore point. Once done, log in with an administrator account and plug the laptop into power. Biometric services and drivers update only when stable power and network are available. You should also ensure Lenovo Vantage or Support Bridge is installed so you can fetch factory drivers quickly. Now open Device Manager and find the Biometric Devices entry to start action. You uninstall the Fingerprint driver directly from Device Manager. Choose to remove driver software if Windows asks, because stale packages commonly break sensors. After that, reboot once to let the hardware clear state and be redetected. When the system comes back, install the Lenovo-specific Fingerprint driver, prefer Vantage or the exact driver package from Lenovo support for your model, because generic drivers often miscommunicate with the sensor firmware. Once installed, go to Sign-in options to re-enroll a fingerprint and test. You should re-enroll prints carefully. Wipe the sensor with 70% isopropyl, then register the finger using different angles and pressure so matching tolerant templates form. Make sure Windows Biometric Service is running. If not, start and set it to automatic. This service mediates fingerprints. If problems persist, check for a fingerprint sensor firmware update via Lenovo Vantage or update the BIOS, and if still failing, gather logs from Event Viewer and reach Lenovo support. That will let you escalate with diagnostic evidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.